In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how much money I make with the Van Life channel that has 2,500 subscribers, $200 or so a month on my YouTube channel. During the months that lead up to Christmas time, the ad rates are a lot higher, meaning advertisers pay a lot more money for the attention that people are getting on YouTube. So during those months, I'll leave the numbers up here, but I made about $190 a month, give or take. And that was with a lot less subscribers than I have now. I had a pretty huge explosion of subscribers in the recent months, which has boosted my ad revenue quite a bit. And if you look on my channel, you can see that only a few videos are making up the majority of my income. So I have a bunch of Honda Element tours, and those are making $37 a month. I also have a video which went viral that is a comparison of Ford Transit to a Ram ProMaster, and those viral top-hitting videos are grossing me the most amount of income on my channel. And the other videos are, to give me $1 here, $1 there, which is great, but it's not the big hitting viral videos. So all it takes is one major video to go crazy, and that can really up your income, at least through AdSense on YouTube. Now, AdSense isn't the only way you can make money on YouTube. Some of you know I created a little sticker for you guys all to enjoy, and I like the sticker, you guys like the sticker, and every time I sell a sticker, I make about $3 or $4 per sticker, which is great. It's a great way to add a little bit more revenue to this channel. You can see at the bottom of the videos now, there's this thing called Super Thanks, and that's for people like you who enjoy the content. You can basically donate to the video with a Super Thanks, and you can put in 5, 10, 20, however many dollars you want to put. And that's just another way YouTube has integrated payments into their platform, which I think is super awesome for creators, and then also for viewers who want to support their favorite creators. Now, if you've been watching YouTube for any amount of time, you've probably seen, make sure to use the link down below. And what that means is that they're Amazon affiliate links usually. When you click that Amazon affiliate link and you purchase something using your favorite creator's Amazon link, they'll basically get a small percentage of that sale given back to them. So I have some of those links, and it doesn't pay much because I don't put a lot of emphasis into that. Sometimes a video, I did a video where I teach people how to refill their air conditioning on their Honda Elements, and I put a link to the refrigerant, the canister they needed to buy. That one link has given me 15 bucks. So that's awesome. So other than just AdSense, there are other ways to monetize your channel. Of course, you can start a Patreon or an OnlyFans, and basically those are little extras that you can offer your audience, exclusive content, or maybe they get the content early. I haven't done anything like that, and I don't really plan to in the future, but if you guys really want it, leave it down in the comments and let me know. Here's how much money we've made in the past 365 days. We've made $1,837 from ad revenue, $120 with the stickers, $75 from Amazon Associates, and $10 from the Super Thanks, bringing our grand total to $2,042. I think that about covers it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. We have a goal of trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and you can really help us out on that journey by clicking that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, it's totally free. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!